Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Our today's video is going to be about CPVC pipes. When quality and efficiency matter, CPVC pipes stand out as a top choice. Chlorinated polyvinyl chloride, or CPVC, is a thermoplastic renowned for its durability and performance. It's efficient in both hot and cold water systems. CPVC pipes are resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting service without rust or scaling. With a smooth internal surface, CPVC pipes reduce friction, providing higher flow rates and improved energy efficiency. Designed to handle high temperatures and pressures, CPVC pipes are ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Their fire resistance and low smoke generation make CPVC pipes a safe choice for building infrastructure. Certified for potable water applications, CPVC pipes ensure that the water you use is clean and safe for your family. Why Ori-Plast CPVC pipes are superior? All-weather corrosion resistance, negligible maintenance, high strength and UV resistance, low transportation cost, easy installation, versatile application. Commonly used Ori-Plast CPVC pipe fittings. CPVC ball valve, CPVC brass elbow, CPVC elbow, CPVC T, CPVC union and many more. Choose Ori-Plast CPVC pipes for a dependable, efficient, and safe plumbing solution. Always trust in quality, durability of Ori-Plast CPVC pipes and fittings. If you have liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for such videos. Thank you for watching.